A&Z Pharmaceutical in Hauppauge, New York, has met increasing demand for its nutritional and pharmaceutical products by switching to a 40 cubic foot, 1,133 liter capacity stainless steel rotary batch mixer from Munson Machinery, which has cut blending times by over 90% compared to the Vee-cone blender used previously. The company produces capsules, tablets, and powdered drink mixes, all of which require precise, uniform blends of dry ingredients without compaction, degradation, or segregation of ingredients. For each batch, an operator starts the empty mixer and uses a drum lift to transfer ingredients from fiber drums into the mixer's stationary inlet. As the vessel rotates, internal mixing flights tumble, cut, turn, and fold the ingredients, achieving batch uniformity in 4 minutes or 11 to 15 times faster than the company's Vee-cone blenders. The company also gained production flexibility as the mixer is equally efficient from 100% down to 15% of rated capacity. The blended batch is unloaded into GMP-compliant lined fiber drums while the vessel continues to rotate, ensuring a uniform product without segregation. One operator at the control panel adjusts the mixer to rotate slowly, while a second operator positions each fiber drum below the gate where any dust is collected by a vacuum. At the conclusion of a batch, the large doors of the vessel allow unobstructed access for cleaning and visual inspection of all product contact surfaces. According to A&Z Pharmaceutical's Director of Research and Development, the Munson Rotary Batch Mixer delivered excellent results in product uniformity in only 4 minutes compared to 50 to 60 minutes using a Vee-cone blender. Learn more about Munson's full range of mixing and blending equipment at munsonmachinery.com.